Hey everyone, if you are watching this video, you are most likely very interested in getting Windows 11 for your computer. I know we are all excited about Windows 11 because it just came out. But $1 million question is, will your PC support Windows 11? Especially if you have an older PC, it may or may not run Windows 11 on it. So that's why I'm creating this video and I'm going to show you how to check if your older computer will run Windows 11 or not. So without any delay, let me show you how. The first thing we need to do is go to windows.com. Since Windows 11 just came out, first thing you will see is Windows 11 page. I'm going to scroll down a little. As you can see, Microsoft put out a lot of information about Windows 11. I'm going to stop at upgrade for free section. Here I am going to click on how to get Windows 11. Next, I'm going to scroll down further until I see system requirements for Windows 11. Here it says minimum system requirements. These are the list of things your computer must have in order to install Windows 11. It says you need 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor. 1 GHz processor doesn't seem much, but it does get complicated when it says compatible 64-bit processor. I will show you in few seconds what it means and how it may cause problem installing Windows 11. Then you need 4 GB of RAM. You need 64 GB or larger storage space. You need UEFI and secure boot capable motherboard. Then you will need trusted platform module TPM version 2.0 or higher. This may be another deal breaker, but I'll show you how to check it. Lastly, you need a graphics card compatible with DirectX 12 or later. Now I'm going to show you how to actually run a test on your old computer to see if it is Windows 11 compatible or not. I'm back at the upgrade for free section and I'm going to click on how to get Windows 11. Here I'm going to click on check for compatibility. I'm going to download the PC Health Check app by clicking here. The app has been downloaded as showing here. I'm going to open the folder where it downloaded. It downloaded to my downloads folder. I'm going to double click on the file to install the app. Click on run. If you agree, put a check mark on where it says I accept the terms. Then click on install. It already has a check mark for Open Windows PC Health Check. So I'm just going to click on finish. Now all I have to do is click on check now. Okay. It says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So looks like I'm not able to install Windows 11 on this computer. As you can see, this is a 9 years old computer. It looks like this PC doesn't support the secure boot, and also it doesn't have TPM 2.0, which is needed. And most importantly, this doesn't support the version of Core i5 I have. Like I told you earlier, it does have 3.47 GHz, but it only needed 1 GHz. But this particular model of i5 processor is not supported for Windows 11. Also, it says I don't have enough disk space as I have partitioned my hard drive. I'm going to click on here to see all results. Now it is showing me all the things that is compatible with Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. See you on the next video. Bye bye.